Hi, Bruno here. Welcome to Spainguru. Reasons for denial of Spanish nationality. So there are two main groups of reasons why you could get your Spanish nationality application refused or denied. We're gonna go through both of groups, so stay until the end because we're gonna give some examples as well. Let's go with it. The main reasons why the application for nationality for residence is denied are divided into two groups. In the first place, we will refer to timing reasons, and in the second place to documentation reasons. Now let's have a look to those two groups. Timing reasons, the first one. Nationality by residence is requested as long as the person has legal and continuous residence in Spain. The general case is that Spanish nationality can be requested after 10 years of legal and continuous residence have elapsed. But we find other cases in which the general case is reduced to 5 years, for example, in the case of refugees, or 2 years in the case of those people who have a nationality that has agreement with Spain, such as Latin American countries, Andorra, Portugal, the Philippines, due to proximity and historical reasons. And finally, we find the cases of 1 year, such as minors or people born in Spain, or people who are married to a Spanish citizen, etc. The first reason for nationality refusal that we can find is that the application for nationality by residence has been submitted before meeting these deadlines. Or for example, when someone thinks that these deadlines have been met, but they have left Spain longer than the time allowed by law to consider that residence was continued and unbroken. Sometimes they have not realized it and therefore do not meet the requirements of continued residence. So you have to be really careful to comply with the time that you can be outside of Spain during the time that you are resident before you apply for nationality. Now, how long can you leave Spain? So, 6 continuous months maximum in the case of people who are required to have 10 years of legal and continuous residence, and 3 months continuously maximum for those who are required 5, 2, or 1 year to process the application. Alright, so those were the timing reasons. Let's go for the group of documentation reasons. It may be the case that a necessary document has not been presented, that it has been delivered, but is, for example, incorrectly apostilled or legalized. That is not being translated, or that there is a criminal record. There are a number of reasons why it may be denied. In these cases, it is not usually a direct refusal. That is, the Ministry of Justice normally does not see that there is a reason for refusal and directly processes a refusal resolution, but rather it will give you an opportunity and notify the person that there is something missing or a lack of documentation and invites him to correct this error. After the notification, in those cases in which said requirement is not met, in this case there would be a refusal and an archiving of the procedure. Remember that this article is not legal advice. If you need immigration experts' advice, make sure to ask for a consultation with Spainguru professionals, and you can find a link of this article in the description of the video below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of the new content that we upload to the video. And if you need expert advice, just go on spainguru.es. You will find immigration lawyers. You will find also tax experts if you need to file taxes in Spain and also in the USA. You will find also relocation services in Spain, apostille services from the US, sworn translators, and health insurances when you apply for no-lucrative visa, when you apply for golden visa, student visa, you will need health insurances as well. And we also offer certificate of good health for the UK residents. And also if you need to go back to the States and you need a health insurance, we also offer those health insurances too. And of course, if you want to be part of a community, please join our Facebook group, Spain Immigration and Residency Questions, Spainguru.es. with more than 16,000 members, where you can ask any single question related to Spanish immigration issues, and you can do it also anonymously. You can also join our non-lucrative visa group with more than 800 members, our Spanish Digital Nomad Visa group. Very important, last but not least, please subscribe to our newsletter. You can opt out anytime. We send this newsletter every single Monday morning, and we feature top discussions on our community and any news related to Spanish immigration. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great day. This is Bruno from Spainguru.es. Goodbye.